Have you ever found yourself wishing your brilliant digital notes weren't stuck in just one application, unable to easily move them to another tool you prefer for studying or sharing? Absolutely, digital notes can often be shared between various apps, offering a fantastic level of flexibility and interoperability for your study materials. This capability allows you to leverage different tools for specific tasks without losing access to your valuable information. The primary reason this is possible lies in common file formats and integration capabilities that many note-taking applications support. Think of universal languages that different apps can understand. For instance, most apps can export notes as plain text, a widely accepted format that almost any program can open and read. Markdown is another popular, lightweight markup language that many modern note-taking tools support, allowing for easy transfer while retaining basic formatting like headings and bullet points. Portable document format, or PDF, is also a common export choice for preserving the visual layout of your notes. Beyond simple file types, many apps are designed with integration in mind. They might offer direct sharing buttons to cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, or even allow direct export to other popular note-taking or productivity applications. Some tools even provide application programming interfaces, or a PIS, which are sets of rules that allow software programs to communicate with each other, facilitating more advanced synchronization and data exchange. These behind-the-scenes connections make the sharing process feel seamless. To practically share your notes, first check your note-taking app for an export or share option. Select a universal format like plain text, Markdown, or PDF if available. You can then save this file to your device or a cloud service and import it into your desired new application. Alternatively, many apps include direct sharing functionality, allowing you to send notes via email, messaging apps, or directly to other installed applications. A useful insider tip is to explore note-taking ecosystems that prioritize open standards and extensibility. Apps that embrace these principles often provide the most robust and versatile sharing options, ensuring your notes are truly yours, accessible wherever and however you need them. This focus on open formats significantly reduces the risk of vendor lock-in, giving you ultimate control over your study data. Understanding these sharing mechanisms transforms your digital notes from isolated data into a powerful, interconnected knowledge base. This freedom to move your notes between different platforms not only enhances your organizational capabilities, but also unlocks new ways to study, collaborate, and ensure your learning resources are always exactly where you need them to be for effective preparation.